Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone's safe. I'm Harshil Patel. A very warm welcome to everyone for the launch of an application for the management of watershed project for the Art of Living organization, the Watershed Management App. I extend a warm welcome to our principal, Dr. Bhavesh Patel, and teachers who could join the meeting today. I would now request our principal, Dr. Bhavesh Patel, to inaugurate the launch and enlighten the students with his thoughts.
Sir has given message. Due to some reason, he's not able to join, and he has asked to go ahead with the program.
Okay, no issues. So we are very grateful to our guests from the Art of Living, Mr. Manish Badiani and Mr. Ashish Parekh, and all the other AOL members to accept our invitation for the launch and marking their presence here. I'd now like to hand it over to Kush.
Thank you, Harshil. Dr. Sandeep Shiredkar is a consultant to the Government of Maharashtra for River Basin Studies. He has a PhD, DCE, BE, MTech, PG Diploma in Disaster Management. He is also a member of the Bureau of Indian Standards. Manish Badiani sir is a Managing Director of HIDC. He is a former Managing Trustee of Art of Living Maharashtra and is also an inventor of Zero Budget Bandhara. Ashish sir is a gold medalist in BCom and CA. He's also a former Managing Trustee of Art of Living Maharashtra, and he's the CEO of Parekh Secretarial Support Private Limited, Parekh Financial Services Private Limited, and Sayadri Agro Ventures Private Limited. Amit Badiani sir is a founder and Managing Director at Harrier Information Systems Private Limited. He's also a member at the Satpura Foundation, which works for the nature conservation. The Art of Living organization was founded by Sri Ravi Shankar ji. On the global stage, there have been many major events, newsworthy achievements for regenerating river pans in India, providing education to students, meditation and yoga sessions, training farmers in natural farming, and many more. To name a few projects, river regeneration has marked a milestone in the history of Art of Living, and us, the students of Shine Anchor Kutchi Engineering College, are privileged to be a part of one of the projects for the water conservation. Our journey began with the mapping session when we were able to trace almost all the rivers and nalas in Maharashtra accurately. We completed and handed over the work to the Art of Living organization. Our second step was to create an application. For more on it, I would like to hand it over to Shraddha.
Yes, thank you, Kush. As we are very much aware that how difficult it is to manage such a big construction project, so we as engineers have developed a solution which can ease out the management process, thus making it more interactive and effective. The application which we have developed is divided into two modules, the public module and the project management module. The features within the public module are accessible to everyone who will be using this application. The features within the project management module are accessible only to those users who are associated with the organization. These associated users are managers, supervisors and workers. Managers are the higher authorities who will be handling the work from their office. Supervisors are people who will manage and handle the on-site excavation work. Workers are the drivers who will be operating the excavation machines. So, the interaction between all these users is such that the managers will be first creating a project. With project, I mean to say that the excavation work by the water conservation program is carried at several different locations, and each of these locations represents a project. So, the managers will be creating a project and assigning them to a supervisor. These supervisors will then handle all the on-field activities like gathering the drivers and assigning them their work. These drivers or workers will then update their work to the supervisor, and thus this interaction between the driver and the supervisor is recorded and is sent as in a form of a report to the manager. Now we will be presenting a video which will be highlighting the major features of our application.
Thank you, Shraddha.
Very good, excellent.
In the words of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji, love and wisdom can prevail over hatred and violence. The Art of Living has a major contribution in bringing a change in many people's lives and families, and we are glad that we could be a part of it. So, as an appreciation for the AOL organization for offering us this wonderful internship, we would like to offer this small memento as an effort of appreciation. We certainly look forward for another interaction in the future. I'd now request any of the AOL mentors to share their experiences working with the students of Shah and Anchor Kutchi Engineering College.
Manish bhai, can you say a few words?
Actually, the app has been developed in depth with the requirement of the executing team and the people who want to get associated by contributing some donations, or the other way also come by giving feedback and all that. Believe me, we have a invitation from Government of Maharashtra for a project named as Atal Bhujal Yojana. Former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's name, Atal Bhujal Yojana, has been launched by central government and World Bank. And the way we have planned this app has been developed to increase the efficiency of the executing team. We are planning to use this app to get the work done under Atal Bhujal Yojana. And what we have started with, the details of the whole state we have planned. Now in Atal Bhujal Yojana, Government of India has identified 13 districts, 38 talukas, and 1,443 villages for doing water conservation work in Maharashtra in phase 1. And I think this app will help us to do the job more efficiently and more transparently. And government has invited the implementing agency in Maharashtra is GSDA, Groundwater Survey and Development Agency. They have a headquarters in Pune, and Director GSDA has invited Art of Living team that how GSDA and Art of Living can implement that project. And central government and World Bank has allocated more than 1,000 crores, for these 13 districts and 38 talukas. And we are going to introduce this app to GSDA for implementing Atal Bhujal Yojana in Maharashtra. And the implementing time is up to 31st of March 2025. So for next 4 years, we will be using this app the way GSDA wants us to use it. And whatever requirement, we will come back to you and we will add whatever requirement is there. So it's really a great thing that we have, that the college has done and mentors and students have done. And it will be really used to implement the projects with the Government of Maharashtra, Government of India, and funded by World Bank. Congratulations to the team. Very well done.
Thank you, sir. We are sure that your projects and your contribution has definitely helped a lot of people in need. I would now request our research coordinator, Dr. Nilakshi Jain, to share her thoughts.
Thank you. So when we started with this project, so many students were working with the Art of Living, and I'm really very proud and happy that finally we have reached to this milestone. This was really not possible without the guidance of all the mentors from the Art of Living. A special mention, Ashish Sandeep sir, Manish sir, Ramesh Raman sir, and Amit sir. We have met you personally, and really, you people are fantastic and helped us to groom well, and the students too. From the SACEC side, I would really like to appreciate the efforts taken by Dr. Kranti Garg and all the mentors who have helped all the students, mentored the students so that they can come up with this final application. I really can't forget the contribution done by the student mentors. Vedant Parekh, Saish. I still remember when the lockdown started and these people called me and told, ma'am, students are, not knowing right now what technology they will be using. These people have conducted sessions for the student and they have made them understand. And I mean, if this kind of the students are there, their supports are there, definitely all juniors will groom well. So thank you so much, Saish, Vedant, and all the student mentors, those who have helped each and every student of SACEC to develop this application. So from the SACEC research cell, on behalf of SACEC, I would really like to appreciate and thank all Art of Living members for giving us this opportunity so that our students can learn something, and we are really open in future. If you have any help or any upcoming project that SACEC can give even a single input, we will be really appreciate and thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. We are grateful you could get us this great internship. I would now request our project in charge, Professor Kranti Garg, to say a few words.
Thank you. Firstly, good evening to everyone. And yeah, so just I would like to take you all through a little bit of timeline of this project. The very first project where a student approached the research cell and said that we would like to have an association like this, there's Vedant. And then Vedant Saish got together. We always have this name set together in our college, Vedant Saish. So they are like our Karan Arjun. So they got together, accelerated it. For the very first time, an internship which has such a huge team size. So, and even after selecting the students, even after 2-3 days, we were continuously having requests that we want to join this, we want to join this. I really know that the name, the Art of Living, it carries such a huge name. IAHV has such a good name that more and more students want to get associated with this, and we were really happy for that. The next thing is, in most of the project, one challenge that we feel is the inputs of the external mentors. But I remember Sandeep sir actually came to all the mentors actually coming to the lab, explaining the students how to do it, and was really a nice task. And as Nilakshi ma'am has mentioned, after that, when it went to the lockdown stage and all, Vedant Saish actually taking sessions for the students. Along with this, since the team was a jumbo team, with the one mentor, we had sub-mentor, teacher mentors associated with, each one given a small group, and all the teacher mentors. I see Anita ma'am and Manjusha ma'am joined over here for taking very nice efforts. So hearty thankful to, I'm thankful to all of them, and to Art of Living and IHV especially, because now university and AICT has recognized human values are really important, but the organization has been functional for years together, is coordinating with various government and non-government organizations and taking the work ahead. And sir, as you mentioned, with the new ventures and the new tasks, we would be really happy to take it ahead. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. You truly are a great inspiration for us. We welcome our college alumni, Vedant Parekh and Saish Kandare, who play a major role in the project and helping us throughout the process. I would now like Vedant to share his experience.
Hi everyone, good to see all of you. So I will genuinely, I don't know what to say. I am just very thankful. Really thank you to all of the Art of Living mentors and to facilitate and give us such an opportunity. Because genuinely I am saying I am still benefiting the things I have learned, not only technically but even in my even non-technically. So all the things I've learned is still benefiting. And it has given me a leg up in my professional life. Even when I had to give placements, it really helped That's all thanks to you. And I am really need to appreciate the college and research cell and Nilakshi ma'am and Kranti ma'am's vision and hard work that they have facilitated and got us such opportunities. And we as students have learned so much, grown so much thanks to their efforts and thanks to the opportunity they have given us. And really, I am truly grateful that I didn't get into the so-called better colleges because no other colleges has this research cell and such a team and this sort of opportunity and this sort of mentoring that our college has and that the research cell Kranti ma'am and Lakshmi ma'am has provided for us. And really, I cannot thank you all enough. I am just feeling so happy today and so grateful to all of you all, to Art of Living team, to our Sakek team, all the teacher mentors, and especially to the students. The students have worked like anything, and there was there were so many ups and downs in this project. So many problems came, lockdown came, we had to do it remotely, and even otherwise there were few issues. But all of them they have overcome and they have made a really very good application. And special credit to Shraddha and Kush who have managed everything very well. So it is really just I'm very happy, and I just want to thank all of you all from the bottom of my heart, and I will hand it over back to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant. I would now request Sai to share his experience.
Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Saish Kandare, and for me it was a great experience through various phases of this project. And first of all, I would like to thank both the organizations for making this collaboration, because that is the only thing that built this opportunity for us to work together. And I also remember, looking back, I remember working with all our teammates, with Veda, with Kush, and all these students, and making this whole bond together. And it really means a lot for us. And even though we were the student mentors, but we ourselves also got a lot to learn back from them. And of course, Lakshmi ma'am and Kranti ma'am were there for us to nurture it, and all the other teachers and to guide us. And it was a really amazing feeling. And the most important point is, because of the bond and the connection that was created with everyone, now it feels really great to see that something that we had started together a very long time ago has now reached at such a great milestone. And I believe, I have to say, I strongly believe that, like Vedant rightly said, that such collaborations are not currently available in other colleges, and we are very privileged to be student of this college, because this college is allowed to make such collaborations possible, and it's actually a blessing for all of us. And I wish that such blessings keep showering on all of us, on you, and happy that it was passed on to you. And I wish that it keeps passing on to every student of our college, so they get this experience. And I have to truly say this experience is genuinely much valuable. I sometimes when I work right at TCS, I remember, okay, this was the experience that I could correlate with what I used to do earlier, and it really helps me boost my confidence and do some work there. That because of this, I did this, I was able to do that there. Okay, and all the experience that I've got, and it is, I think it is going to stay with me for my entire life. And I would just say thank you to all the teachers and every single member who was involved in this collaboration and made it possible. Sincere thanks to all, and I would, at the end, I would say all the best to the all collaboration. Thank you.
Special thanks to Sai and Vedant for the valuable contribution and guiding us through the process. We couldn't have made it without you. I would like to thank our faculty member, each and every faculty member, for the contribution. I would like to thank Archana ma'am, Manjusha ma'am, Swapnil sir, Amita ma'am, Jayashree ma'am, and Pallavi ma'am. This is a whole team, and I sincerely want to appreciate each one of you for being a part of our team, and it makes all the difference. I would also like to I would like all the students to share their experience with us.
Okay, Rushil, why don't you start?
Rushil, can we start with you? Like, Rushil, can you just share your experience?
Yeah, personally for me, this internship was just not limited to learning and listening and following particular set of instructions from the mentor, where we were brought into different domains of learning. Moreover, there were voluntary efforts by each and individual experience and overcoming the new challenges every day, helping me to break through the box of my limited knowledge and experience. And along with the technical aspect, definitely we learned some technical terminologies, new terminologies, which were very new for us to learn and which we never thought that we would learn during the academic upcoming year without this opportunity. So we were happy to learn that new things and break through the box of the limited knowledge. Along with the technical aspect, I was also exposed to many other dimensions of learning, like how the geography of the project works, the strategy making and the working with the team. And I'm really thankful for IHB, Art of Living and SACEC for providing this excellent opportunity to manifest my academic knowledge in a real world scenario. And special thanks to Vedant and Sash who really take out their time from their busy schedule and help us throughout the journey. Thank you.
Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, Amit.
For me, it was an amazing experience. I always wanted to learn app development, and this internship gave me an opportunity to learn and work with Flutter app development. And in the development phase, there were times where things were not working well, but the leaders and mentors were really helpful. Their suggestion and feedback helped me to improve and grow. And the most important thing is I really enjoyed doing this internship, and this experience will always be with me. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Samiksha, good.
Yeah, I'm Samiksha, and this was my first live internship project. It was my first internship on a live project. The team members were very friendly. Everyone used to help each other, and also I got to learn a lot from my mentors and colleagues. Right from jotting down the ideas on paper to the launch, everything was a great experience and a lot of fun. I had hands-on Flutter and Firebase. I got to implement it in real world. Thank you.
I myself would also like to share my experience. Like, I was quite fortunate enough to get a position of the student leader and to take all the responsibility, to handle all the responsibilities. I got to learn many things like technical and non-technical. For the technical part, I was quite fortunate enough to learn Flutter and Firebase and backend and everything. And in the non-technical part, I was I could learn planning, I could learn team building, I learned managing and contacting and everything. So I had a quite good experience, and this was my first live project as well. So I got to learn a lot, and I think that I've built a lot of personal qualities in this. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Siddhi. So this internship has been a wonderful experience for me, starting from the training given by Vedant and Saish, as well as the help done by teammates as well as the leaders in order to develop the app. I got the part of UI designing. So basically, I was not much interested in designing at first, but I started to
I think Siddhi has dropped off. Her net is disconnected. Does someone else want to share?
Hello everyone, good evening. Firstly, I will thank Art of Living and Shan Ankar IHV for giving us a great opportunity for app development. Through this internship, I got to learn a lot of things, explore new things, got the flow, how a team works, how a live internship is, how it is done. and especially thanks to Vedant and Saish for mentoring and guiding throughout the internship. And once again, thank you to all the team members for every time guiding and helping out through every ups and downs. It was a great opportunity for me to work with you all. I hope to see you again in other internships also.
Okay. I think one person we also need to hear from is Shraddha. Why don't you share your experience?
Hello everyone. My overall experience in this internship has been great. I learned many project management skills, right from designing the database schema, then designing the system flow, designing the user interface, dividing the tasks and distributing it within my team members, then conducting meets, conducting sessions, then helping others out in case of errors. So all this has helped me a lot in leveling up my management skills as well as boosting up my confidence. So I thank you Vedant and Saish and Kranti ma'am for appointing me as the leader and giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Now I would like to ask Amit sir or Ashish sir to share their experience.
Yeah, Ashish sir first because he's the main initiating person and he's senior to all of us. After you, Ashish bhai.
Okay. My experience, honestly, of this project has been fantastic. I don't want to repeat what everybody is saying. The quality of work is something which Amit sir will be able to better judge and comment on. But I'll just take another dimension in the sense that I'm talking to you not only as somebody from Art of Living, but I also can share my experience as Vedant's father, in the sense that I have seen, the how he has blossomed ever since he started the internship for Roti Bank, which was another project of the research cell. And really speaking, that I can say is the that and the when he and Saish went to Nagpur and did an internship at Amit sir's office, that too, those two events were really the turning point, I think, in both their lives. In the sense, both of them got a different dimension to work, learn, experience, understand, and I don't think either one of them have looked back after that point. So I really will only say this, that hats off to the research cell, hats off to Dr. Nilakshi ma'am and Dr. Kranti Gag for the efforts which they put in putting together a structure where the students are able to get real live experience, which does immense in boosting their confidence and makes them feel that they can manage a new environment, they can manage new things, they can learn newer skills, and this will help them throughout their life. So hats off to the research cell. And really, the research cell is not just imparting knowledge, but the research cell is really building the lives of all the students who are taking advantage of this opportunity which they are providing, and they are prodding the students to take advantage of this opportunity. So I will just like to say this, and then I'll hand it over to Amit sir to then comment on the technical aspects of the product. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Ashish bhai. I remember visiting the college and attending that meeting with all the students there, and the energy level was phenomenal. I can't forget, the whole class full of students and everybody wanting to contribute to the project and work on this app. So, and I was sure that it will come out very well, because with so many students being keen on working on the project and want to develop something useful, I'm not surprised that the app has come out so well. That said, so thank you so much everybody for involving me in and giving me also an opportunity to interact with the students of the college. And as Ashish Bhai said, the research cell of Shah and Anchor College is doing a phenomenal job, and I think they are really shaping the lives of their students. As Vedant said, not many colleges have such an active research cell and active internship program. So I think very well done. Let's continue this. And from Harrier side, I can say that if we can be of any help in future also for internship to kids or offering any technical know-how or guidance, we'll be very happy to. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank each one, I would thank every one of you, like the IHAV, Art of Living, Starcake, Research Cell, for their presence and making this event a success. We are looking forward for some future collaborations as well. And I think, sir, that's it from our point of view. I think we can call it a day.
Thank you so much for such a great opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. All the best. Take care. Thank you.
Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
And I think we'll send over the certificates to the research cell, the internship certificates, and then I think the research cell can then forward it to the concerned students and the professors. Thank you very much.
Also, sir, we thank everyone of you for this opportunity that you have left today for all our students. And we like the students to grow as a whole. Not only they become an engineer, but they become a complete person. Thank you so much.
Thank you.